lecture we discuss about what is meant by atomic mass and their average atomic mass. Today we say what is meant by molecular mass and how to calculate the molecular mass. Firstly we say what is the definition of molecular mass. Molecular mass means it is the sum of average atomic masses of the atoms of an element which constitute the molecule. Molecular mass means it is the sum of average atomic masses of the atoms of an element which constitute the molecule. Then next we say how to calculate the molecular mass. We see here the molecular mass of carbon dioxide is, which is equal to, in this carbon dioxide, 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atom. So that which is equal to 1 into average atomic mass of carbon plus 2 into average atomic mass of oxygen. We know that carbon, their atomic number is 6 and their average atomic mass is 12. Then oxygen, their atomic number is 8 and their atomic mass is 16. So that which is equal to 1 into 12 unified mass plus 2 into how many oxygen? 2 oxygen atom, 2 into 16 unified mass, which is equal to 12 plus 32, which is equal to 44 unified mass. 44 unified mass, it is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide gas. Then next we say second example, what is the molecular mass of H2O? In H2O there is 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. So then hydrogen, their atomic number is 1 and their average atomic mass also 1. 2 into 1, 2 unified mass plus oxygen, their atomic number 8, their average atomic mass is 16. 2 plus 16, which is equal to 18 unified mass unit. Unified mass unit, it is the molecular mass of H2O. Then next we say what is meant by formula mass. The formula mass, which is the term which is used for ionic compound. Instead of molecular mass, the formula mass which is used for ionic compound. What is the definition of formula mass? The formula mass means it is the sum of atomic masses of the atoms present in the formula of the substance. What is the definition of formula mass? It is the sum of atomic masses of the atoms present in the formula of the substance. We see here one example of to calculate the formula mass of NaCl. NaCl, it is a ionic compound. In NaCl, sodium atom, their atomic number is 11 and their atomic mass is 23. Chlorine, their atomic number is 17, their average atomic mass is 35.5. Then we calculate the formula mass of NaCl, which is equal to average atomic mass of sodium plus average atomic mass of chlorine, which is equal to 23 plus 35.5, which is equal to, we add the 23 plus 35.5, we get 58.5 unified mass unit. It is the formula mass of NaCl. The next point we see here, what is meant by mole concept. In mole concept, we say firstly what is the definition of 1 mole. 1 mole means of a substance is defined as the amount of substance that contains number of particles, atoms, molecules, ions or electrons etc. as present in 12 gram or 0.012 kg of carbon 12 isotope. 1 mole means 1 mole of substance is defined as the amount of substance that contains the number of particles, atoms, molecules, ions or electrons etc. as present in 12 gram or 0.012 kg of carbon 12 isotope. This number of particles which is determined to be equal to 6.0221367 into 10⁻23 gram particles. The number of particles is determined to be which is equal to 6.0221367 into 10⁻23 gram particles. We see the examples. First example, see here, 1 mole of oxygen atoms means which is equal to 6.0221367 into 10⁻23 atoms of oxygen. Then second example, 1 mole of water molecules means which is equal to 6.0221367 into 10⁻23 molecules of water. And last example is 1 mole of sodium chloride which is equal to 6.0221367 into 10⁻23 formula units of NaCl. Next point, we see here what is meant by molar mass. The molar mass means the mass of 1 mole of a substance, means elements or compounds, in grams is called its molar mass. Molar mass means what? The mass of 1 mole of a substance, elements or compounds, in grams is called its molar mass. We know that the molar mass of any elements in grams is numerically equal to atomic mass of that element in unified mass. The molar mass of any elements in grams is numerically equal to atomic mass of that element in unified mass unit. Then we see the example, the element carbon, their atomic mass is 12 unified mass unit, and their 12 unified mass unit, it is nothing but its molar mass in 12 gram per mole. Molar mass of carbon which is the 12 gram per mole. Next we say what is the polyatomic substance. It is the H2O. Their molecular mass is which is expressed in unified mass unit which is equal to 18 unified mass unit, and this 18 unified mass unit, it is the molar mass in gram which is equal to 18 gram per mole. The polyatomic substance, that is H2O, their molar mass is which is expressed in gram per mole which is equal to 18 gram per mole. Next point we see here, moles and gases. In this we say what is the molar volume. Molar volume means the volume of 1 mole of gas is called molar volume. The volume of 1 mole of gas is called its molar volume. At STP condition, STP condition means which condition? Standard temperature it is the 0 degree Celsius, and pressure which is measured in 1 atmosphere, it is the STP condition. STP condition means standard temperature 0 degree Celsius and pressure is 1 atmosphere. The molar volume of any gas is equal to 22.4 dm cube. Molar volume of any gas which is 22.4 dm cube. Next we see what is the formula to calculate the number of moles of gases. We see the first formula, which is number of moles of gas, which is expressed by small n, number of moles small n, which is equal to volume of gas at STP divided by molar volume of gas. Thus, number of moles of gas small n, which is equal to volume of gas at STP divided by, we know that molar volume of any gas which is equal to 22.4 dm cube per mole. We get the number of moles of gas. The formula is number of moles of gas n, which is equal to volume of gas at STP divided by 22.4 dm cube per mole. Next formula we see here, what is the number of molecules. How to calculate number of molecules. Number of molecules which are calculated by using the formula number of moles multiplied by Avogadro's number, and number of moles which is into Avogadro's number we know that which is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules per mole. The number of molecules which can be calculated, number of moles into multiplied by 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules per mole. So we note that we stop here.